Okay, here we go. I've been thinking about this. We're going to make a special baked potato. We got the baked potatoes in the mac right now. What we're going to do is we're going to take some outside skirt steak and we're going to season them with cash cow. Cash cow has got all the wonderful things you want in it. Alder sea smoke, rendered beef fat, and beef stock. Really pumps up the beef flavor. You want to come in here? Don't be shy. Remember, like I've told you, I got grandkids. I need you to use a lot of rub. Okay, we're only going to do one side of this. That's all we need to do. Oh, missed a spot. Now, hallelujah lime, whether it's your guacamole, chicken, anything, it's great on beef when you mix it with the cash cow. It's a jalapeno seasoning salt with lime. Okay, let's let it sit here just a second and soak up this rub. And then we're going to take it to the grill and cook it really quick. Close her up. That looks beautiful. I think we're good. Let me get a platter for it, okay? Okay, here we go. I always like to have James do the first taste. James.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, look at there. That looks good. Oh, yeah. That's tender.
Oh, it should be. Just kind of cut up in nice squares. These are with the grain. We're going to cut against the grain again. James, are you begging for another piece?
It's good.
Not before Papa gets one. But I'll tell you, that cash cow and the hallelujah lime is really hard to beat. Try and get it before the flies get me. The flies like my food too. Okay, we'll finish cutting this up and we'll see you in a little bit. We're going to do something really fun with potatoes and the griddle. I smoked these baked potatoes on the Mac at 400 for about 45 minutes. I'm going to cut these in half just like this. Might give myself some little things to make things easier. We're going to griddle these with butter and olive oil. We're going to get them really crispy and nice, and then we're going to stuff them. We're going to pile some carne asada, some Mexican four cheese, some cotija cheese, some cilantro, some onions, some pico de gallo salsa. It's going to be just a disaster. No, it's going to be really fun. So here we go. Smashed potatoes, a kind of a crazy idea. One more and then I'll see you at the griddle. Some butter. Some more butter. Now this is going to be a crazy idea I have. This is called a smashed potato. So here we go. I hope this works. This is how I dream about food here. That one looks good, James. Okay, let's see if this crazy idea works. This will disappear through the magic of James.
Perfect.
You know, sometimes I get lucky. That's all I can say. Oh, that's what I like. Crispy, crunchy. Let's go assemble these bad boys. Okay, we want to keep the crispiness alive, but we kind of let all these flavors happen. So I've got a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to start with some bacon, because we like bacon, right? We'll go in here. This is smoked bacon too. Believe it or not, these smaller pieces are better. Pico de gallo. Now what this is doing is also kind of giving me a little barrier, because it's going to melt a little bit on there. Guys, don't judge me yet. I'm not done. When this is done, I'm going to be very happy. Do some onion stuff here. The greener, the better. Just a little more. This is Vidalian. You only get them this time of year out here, so I'm going to use them. They're very sweet, very nice. And here comes the fun stuff. Remember this on the grill? Don't worry, these hands are so clean you won't believe it. It's about to look good, even though it doesn't yet. Let's just hit it with a pop of Hallelujah, just to wake it up. This is Hallelujah lime, just to give you that little hello. This little cilantro, some crumbled cotija, and one last little trick here, a little butter, because my cardiologist is my friend. Okay, there you go, and a little crema, a little thin.